Check out this pretty straight looking 79 square body just hit the yard, man. 2 days ago. Man. It's a Big 10 Silverado. Look at that. Go through it quick. It's up in the front of the yard. A couple of transmissions back here. That's cool. Got the sliding back glass. I'll run through it quick. It's at the front of the yard. I'm gonna come out here and say something. Texas Outdoors. Although that's a GMC. I guess they, what the deal there is. It's a Chevy. Get a good look at this way here. Well, they might sell it. They are known to sell vehicles here. 05 of 79. See that VIN? Oh yes. I don't know if you can see it. It's hard to see. Inside. It's dirty. It's got a tilt column though. Door panels are weathered. Ooh. I'm gonna leave this behind though, man. This is right up at the front. I don't want them to say it might be the yards, and I don't want them to say, "Hey, you stealing our tools." Now, if it was in the yard out there, then it'd be fair game to me, anyways. Now, look underneath real quick. And door closes nice. Oh well, it doesn't completely lock though. Take a quick look under the hood. Although they might say something once I pop that hood. We'll see. How's this front end? Looks decent. Bumper looks good. Oh. Got it. And I don't know if it's my lens or the thing not focusing right. I don't know if you can yank that out. It's like a 79. So that's a 350. Appears to be all there. It's pretty freaking original, but with a remanufactured A6. Yeah. Alright, man. I'll do it real quick for this one. I just want to get a quick video of it. Oh man, that's hot. Woo. Oh man, it's freaking hot. Hold on a second. It's gonna buckle. Give me a second. There we go. Whew. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, that's hot. But there it is. There it is. I think she looks decent, you know. It might sell her. It's out here at the Apache Wrecking Yard in Kennedale, Texas. Alright, man.